Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Are you struggling to sell your puzzle books on Amazon, KDP, or Etsy? You spent hours creating great puzzles, but nobody is discovering your books. Static social posts get ignored, and editing video shorts by hand takes 2 full hours for just one 30-second clip. Stop waiting to be discovered. Meet PuzzleVid Studio, the world's first all-in-one browser platform that turns any puzzle into scroll-stopping 9:16 vertical shorts in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Pick from 11 built-in puzzle engines, from Sudoku and word search to math pyramids and number search. Choose your difficulty level and generate fresh verified puzzles with a single click. Step 2. Style your reveal animation. Choose from 4 reveal modes, 5 vibrant ink styles, and ambient animated backgrounds like sunset grid or blueprint. Step 3. Type your opening hook title with a 3-2-1 countdown, and add a custom call to action end card that points viewers straight to your book on Amazon. Step 4. Add sensory impact with browser-synthesized royalty-free music and tactile pen ASMR sound effects with 0 copyright worries. Step 5. Preview your video in real time, then click render. In seconds, you get a crisp, high-definition 1080 by 1920 MP4 ready to post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Look at our real TikTok Studio channel analytics. Over 5,900 organic views on fresh posts with 0 advertising spend. Puzzles create natural curiosity and unbeatable watch time retention. Get instant access to PuzzleVid Studio today with commercial rights included for a special one-time launch price. Click the button below to turn your puzzles into traffic and sales now.